Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Here we have Tecno Pop 9. This phone is charging itself by itself. It charges itself without plugging in charger. Let's try and read the voltages. As you can see, without plugging in charger, the VPOS line is giving voltage. The VPOS line is giving voltage the same as the voltage in the battery terminal. As you can see, it's still giving us voltage in the VPOS line. As you can see, I changed the charging IC with the same type of phone charging IC, so I changed it. Still, it's not working. As you can see, the reading on the charging, that's VPOS line. The reading on the VPOS line is not the same as the reading on the VPH line, and it's not the same as the reading on the VBAT line.
Amin.
Yeah.
IC.
Yeah.
Za mu samu IC 7 Plus tani IC.
Babu.
Kai ba tari. Lara ta ta ne ya bala. 7 Plus.
Let us go and look for Infinix Smart 8 charging diagram, charging schematic, so that you may read the charging ways, because this Pop 9, the schematic is not yet out. As you can see, this phone is using SPD power IC. Let's try to look for the charging ways that goes to the power IC, that's dead IC, DET, that used to give signal whenever you plug charger. As you can see, this resistor normally used to call dead IC, that is DET. So it's the one that gives signal to the power IC. So let's try and search for it in this POP9 phone. So let's try. I have seen one resistor, so let's try and check it out if that is the right resistor. That tiny resistor, yes, that black one is the DIT resistor that gives charging signal to the power IC. This one is reading, the outer part is reading 4 point while the inner part is reading 3 point. So that shows that the power IC has an issue. So let's try to take up the charging IC and change it, because I ever did this type of work. So it's not the first time that I'm doing it, but it's the first time of me doing the video. I want to take up the power IC in such a way I can put another one back without boiling it.
So bana ya fara suwa na yin aiki kuma a ce make you come later in the evening. Ina mamaki a cewa har kai da waya.
As you can see, the legs are very neat. So this one, we don't need to revolve the power IC before putting it back. As you can see, we will change the power IC because that is a fault. Okay, let's try to test it with our DC power supply. Before, if you put it, the charging indicator will show light. As you can see, as we have removed the charging IC, is not consuming current. That shows that the power IC is really the problem. I'm trying to set the power IC because I did not record it, so I need to set it very well. As you can see, we have put in the power management IC. So let's try to read the TIT IC. Let's allow the phone to cool down so that we can test the TIT IC. As you can see, the in part is giving us 606, while the outer is giving us 558. But before, it was not giving us like this. Let's try to put the DC power supply to see either the indicator light will show. You see, the indicator light is not showing. Let's try to on the phone first so that we can confirm that the power management IC is installed successfully. So as you can see, the phone has on. Let's put the screen and test it. Let's check the Vivo's line and the Vivat line to see either it's still giving out current. As you can see, now voltage on the VBus line. There is voltage on the VBAT line, but there is no voltage on the VBus line. Now let's try put in the charger. As you can see, immediately we put in the charger, the indicator light shown up while the phone has picked charge. The phone is charging properly. You can see the indicator light has gone off as we remove the charger. Let's on the phone and see.
Na ce ma ka je hutu yanzu haka nan yi manta ba don na da matsaloli da wanda rage son yi maganin memory na bama da na da abun memory ne ga can da ba
As you can see, it's charging. See, it's working properly.